Hello teacher, good night. My name is Juan Sebastian. I am 22 years old. I am from Cúcuta, norte de Santander, but I'm living in Bogota with my parents. I am all brothers. I work in a company called Teleperformance, while I also study industrial engineering at UNED. Every day when I wake up, I practice boxing. I love it. I also I enjoy reading literature or listening to music in my free time. I don't use to watch TV, however, I watch a lot of Netflix series. My favorite one could be Breaking Bad. There are three people in my family. My mother is Alba Sosa. She is 56 years old. She has black hair and she has housewife. My brother is Diego. He studied engineering and he has brown eyes. My father is Edgar. He is taxi driver. He is short and he has white skin. We are from Cúcuta. Thanks.